So in this case, we need to set up a formula such that each cell will look at the previous cell. So this cell will compare itself to the previous cell. If it's different, it must give us a color. So let's just do this. I'm now going to just highlight it using my control button. So we've highlighted all of those. I'm going to say it's a new rule, formula based. You'll see if you look around, we have to build it as if we're in the cell that's active. So notice, even though I've highlighted those areas, I have to pretend I'm over here. So what I'm going to say is, look at this cell here. Are you different from the cell before? For example, that cell there. In this case, if I leave the dollar signs on, every cell will look at these two. So I need to go here, and I'm pushing my F4 key just to get that off. Let's put a format. Let's use a color here. And when I say OK, so you'll notice that it's done it. It looks like it's working. It's done all of these. But notice that this entire first column, because it's the first column and it's different from here, has been highlighted. You may want that, or perhaps you don't. In which case, once you've set it up, highlight those, go to conditional formatting. You'll see under clear rules, there's a clear rules from selected cells or entire sheet. We're going to use selected cells. And you'll see you've now set it up that the conditional formatting only works from the second month onwards.